E from MarketWizard.com and eMiniWizard.com. Just before the end of the second hour on the 30th of August 2019, reminding traders to use risk capital you can afford to lose. Well, we've taken out that 22 and taken out the overnight low. Wanted stops down into the 18 to 17 target and trailers for 14, which is T1. And then potentially the 12.5 next support target. Anybody's got a trailer looking for 12.5. Good trade. Anybody got the 14s to 12.5? Stops down. Two-day range, 1075, 11 as the middle. There's a profit-taking swing. Anybody that's got the 14s to 12.5, that's the target zone that we think is our next key. Obviously, if that breaks, then yesterday's low down here at that 4.25 to 5 area key. Trailing only under 18. This is a 2-day chart. Resistance, support, fighting box right now. That 47 held last year's high. Rain line just below us at the 07s, 08s. And this low from yesterday, all important. Angels and demons. We can see this support from yesterday in here. Keep that in mind. Not much action underneath this 11. And this last knife right here, I mean, sideways, yay. And then the bottom falls out here in the last half hour. That's why you do not average in. You take your medicine if you're going the wrong way. Yesterday's angel is 14 RTH. So that really helps for perspective. We now know that 29, 75, 30 area is now our middle. If you left chips on the table, no worries, it happens. I've said that before. Take what you can out of the day in the swings, grab a few points, win with trailers. You want lower targets, you got to chase. We say we do not want to see that 42 hit again for the short side to win. So that's still the key resistance. And obviously you got to move it down now. Use a 2 or 3 point stop if you're trying to buy that 14 to 12 zone. Doesn't work, doesn't work. ending the second hour, and we're going to have probably a reasonable bounce, I would guess, before we're done today. Profit taking from the shorts. And I like paid for sure coming into this 12.5 target. You know, you get to the point where it's risk and reward. And I think a lot of traders will be heading for the exits early. Retest is back at 20 to 22. All right, hope you had a good morning. I know we left chips on the table. I know we got stopped out. That's normal every day. You're going to do both. And then your sidelines and you're thinking quietly and saying, okay, I think this is what's happening next. I think, and then you can re-enter. You want to take small stop outs. That's our insurance policy. And you say, okay, I got to jump back in. That, you know, I think they're going to rip these 22s. That was my first thought today, was if we cannot hold that 32, the boys weren't willing to defend yesterday's high, then we can open the door for more pullback. And the question is, how much more? 14 T1, right exit for anybody that wanted to make sure they got paid. That was T1 today. I said, I think we'll get 2 a day. Well, overnight, one way, primary trade down one way. And now I think anybody that loves the short side, you really got to keep a tight stop on any re-entries. And then be very careful of RTH. This is normally our support, the rain line, first time back. So any excursions lower today, be very careful about this 8 area. And the pivot point I've got at this 13, and this is our 15-minute rain line just below us. I think that was the right exit for anybody that was playing short with a trailer and be done by that 14. And here was our knife. This is the shakeout right here. All right. I will see you guys in the Slack room. I'll post a little bit here and there. Hopefully, Hurricane Dorian will miss us, but I will keep you posted as to what's going on down here, and I'll catch you in the Slack room. Retest, RTH, 40 back. You get to the 23s, paid for sure. 23.75 is our 40 back. And this is the profit-taking swing. Timing trade and price. All right, be well.